The ham is cured for up to 2 years and is characterized by its intense flavor and tender texture. It is often served as an appetizer with cheese and bread. Skanci. Skanci is a type of cornmeal porridge that is a staple in Slovenian cuisine. The porridge is typically served as a side dish with stews or sausages. It can also be served sweet with honey, sugar, or jam. Idovi krepi. Idovi krepi are buckwheat dumplings that are stuffed with a variety of fillings such as potatoes, cheese, or meat. They are typically served with a meat sauce or gravy and are a popular dish in the northeastern region of Slovenia. Belokranjska pogača. Belokranjska pogača is a traditional flatbread that is made with flour, water, and salt. It is typically topped with a variety of ingredients such as lard, onions, or cheese. The bread is then baked until golden brown and is a popular snack food in Slovenia. Kremarizina. Kremarizina is a type of cream cake that is a favorite among Slovenians. The cake consists of layers of puff pastry, vanilla cream, and whipped cream. It is typically served cold and is a popular dessert during holidays and special occasions. Slovenia also has a rich tradition of winemaking, with numerous vineyards located throughout the country. Some of the most popular grape varietals include Refosco, Malvasia, and Pinot Gris. Beer production has also been growing in popularity in recent years, with numerous microbreweries opening up across the country. Overall, Slovenian cuisine is a unique and flavorful reflection of the country's cultural heritage and natural resources. From hearty stews and dumplings to sweet pastries and desserts, Slovenia has something to offer for every food lover. Slovenia is a country that has a long history of winemaking and beer production. The country's diverse climate and terroir provide ideal growing conditions for a variety of grape varietals, resulting in a range of high-quality wines. Slovenia also has a growing craft beer scene, with numerous microbreweries producing unique and flavorful brews. Wine. Slovenia is a relatively small wine-producing country, but it has a rich and diverse winemaking tradition that dates back thousands of years. The country is known for its high-quality wines, with many winemakers focusing on sustainable and organic farming practices. There are 3 main wine regions in Slovenia: Primorska, Posavje, and Podravje. Each region has its own distinct climate, soil type, and grape varietals, resulting in a diverse range of wines. Some of the most popular grape varietals in Slovenia include Ribula. Ribula is a white grape varietal that is grown in the Primorska region. It is used to produce dry and crisp white wines that are characterized by their high acidity and mineral notes. Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir is a red grape varietal that is grown in the Podravje and Primorska regions. It is used to produce elegant and complex red wines that are known for their aromas of red fruit and earthy notes.